another pleasant good morning to you guys. Still here in Pittsburgh. It rained all night. It's still saturated. I'm parking here in a place I'm not too excited about parking, but it's gonna be okay. It's not like an abandoned place, but it's a commercial, industrial area of town, and I gotta walk a little bit because I got a tip on something really fun. So let's go check this out. All right, before we get to where we're going, you gotta get your vehicle worked on. How about the Elvis Presley Graceland Automotive Shop? I think I'd trust my vehicle in the king's hands. Yeah. Although I'm anxious to get out of the big city, I'm also wondering if this is gonna be worth it. Might check this place. Oh, sorry, we're closed. Never mind. Won't check that place out. I also have a package to pick up in East Pittsburgh at an Amazon locker. Got some new filters for the lens here to try to help that out. But here we go, guys. Did you know that Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania is home to the world's largest bicycle museum called Bicycle Heaven? Not because it's heavenly, but because technically they think that this is where all bicycles should come to rest in their afterlife. So let's go check this place out. We're gonna have some background copyright music issues, I can tell already. There are a lot of bikes in here, guys. In fact, I guarantee as we look around, we may even find your childhood bike somewhere in here as well. That's right. Look at that green Panther Schwinn and the pink. That's a Betty Boop bike. Nice. Luxury liner. Woo. Look at those old seats. Yep. Penny farthing with a vintage bicycle helmet there. Yeah. Jack St. Clair's parade bike. The speakers, I believe those are speakers, guys. Yeah, see between the handlebars, there's a JVC cassette deck. Yes. Winning, yes. It's a lot to take in. Look at this stuff. There's Woody back there. There's a 1948 Scoot cycle. Darth Vader's wheel. There's Yoda. This museum has 4 of these Bowden Spacelander bicycles. They're fiberglass bicycles. They have 4 of them. I think there's only like 30 still in existence. They're in pretty good condition too. There is an upstairs of Quirky as well, guys. It just never ends. Awesome, an 1890s wood wheel bike. It's wood. Okay, well, we just entered another room of this place, guys. Is that Pee-wee? No way. How do we get over there? It is Pee-wee's bike. Check it out. They have it. They have Pee-wee's bike. Let's go to the front. See? It's even got the lion on the front. That is legitimately, I believe, Pee-wee's bike, guys. Nice. Of course, they got Pee-wee playing on the TV there. Nice. You gotta be kidding me. There's a train going around in... That's awesome. Very cool. The bike tree with a 1930s Dayton and a 1960s Schwinn. You know, they just left them out in their yard, and the tree just kind of grew around both bikes. That's really cool. Look at that. Different. Yeah, that's an old bike. Yeesh. You could spend hours in here, guys, really. This is a must-stop. Thank you so much, Fu, who runs the Randyland, for telling me about this place. I'm glad it rained, and I'm glad I was stuck in Pittsburgh one extra morning. And always, guys, I only showed you about 10-15% of what's in there and some of my favorite stuff. They run on a donation base here, so it's a free museum. I went ahead and bought one of their penny farthing magnets. Although it doesn't say Bicycle Museum, it's even better because this going into my collection, only I'll remember where it came from. Well, some of you will remember, but yeah. All right, get back. We're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go check my Amazon locker first, and we're gonna get out of the big city. Well, the Amazon locker was a little tricky parking-wise. I'm glad it's over with. I'm not out of the big city. I'm here in Wilkinson, back on the Lincoln Highway officially, as you can see by a nice little marker here. And also, I am trying out one of my new neutral density ND filters. We have a nice little monument here, guys. Everybody's staring at me behind me. What's this goof doing, filming himself? Lincoln, made of copper. And I don't know if that's significant because of the fact that Lincoln ended up on the copper penny, but this statue is actually at least surfaced with copper and protected so that people don't come mess it up and stuff. But yeah, okay. It's starting to feel more normal though. I do not do well in big cities. So let me show you real quick the app. Some of you have asked me what kind of app I'm using for the Northeast, so I'll show you once I get seated again. So the app I was going to show you is Copilot. This is not a free app, by the way. I have owned this for over 2 years. It cost $40, but you own it for life. I've put it on different iPhones in those 2 years. And like I said, $40, you download whatever maps you want. I have downloaded the entire North America maps on my phone. That means I don't need service with this app. And I use it mostly for the Northeast or for older cities where there are lower bridges. Hence the next month or two as we travel, you plug in how wide you are, how tall your RV is, and then it finds a safe route so that you don't have to make all these U-turns or back up and get stuck under a low clearance. It's the only way to navigate the Northeast, guys. I know because I tried with just Google Maps and it doesn't work. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's like a normal GPS unit where it makes you, when you want to go somewhere, you have to enter in the zip code first, then the street name, and then you have to enter a number. So even if I'm going to something like, as you can see right here, this Lincoln Monument that we just went to, there's no address. So what I had to do was on Google Maps last night, find the nearest house across the street and enter that in as my destination. So I wish it would let you put direct GPS coordinates into the program. Maybe that's something they'll do later. But for right now, if you're going to go to the Northeast, I strongly suggest you're just going to have to fork it over probably and pay $40 and buy it and have the apps so that you don't have problems. Unless you guys know of a better way, a better, freer, cheaper app, let me know in the comments below. All right, let's get on the road. And now welcome to the United States Steel Corporation. Edgar Thomson works here. See all the steam coming out over there? Yeah, they're making some steel. The area around here smells strange, the steel, I guess, but it reminds me of back home, Aberdeen, Washington, where they do the same type of stuff. They have this big, huge guy bending some steel here. This is Joe Magarat. 1940. Jeez, this is a busy industrial area. Let's get out of here, too. Dang it. It was supposed to thunder, storm, and rain all day today since 10 a.m. And the weather app just keeps moving it a little further away. So I'm okay with that. But I planned some indoor stuff. We're gonna look at this McDonald's because although it looks normal, this is actually the Big Mac Museum, a working McDonald's restaurant with a Big Mac museum. And since they closed down the first Wendy's location museum, I'm gonna share this with you. Let's go check it out. See, it pretty much looks like a normal restaurant, but talking about the Big Mac. Oh, we gotta go out here. Hang on. Is that not the biggest Big Mac you've ever seen? That's a pretty big one. And they got trinkets and toys and stuff. Mac tonight. Okay. A statue with a 15-cent Big Mac up there. Yeah. Different kinds of Big Macs from different eras. Yeah. Some more trinkets in there. Okay. So a different little stop. Because it's a working restaurant, though, everybody's just being quiet and staring at me filming, so that's all I want to see. With that said, we got to find a place to overnight tonight in a safe, approved spot before the rain hits. So, gonna head on east on the Lincoln Highway and see what we can find. So, remember I talked about the storms and the rain that was supposed to be coming that wasn't? Well, it doesn't look too bad over here, but actually, if we pan around, there's a lot of ominous, dark, mean, angry clouds up here. So we are going to get wet. I've got the bike covered so that, man, I get so many thumbs up. And okay, the RV definitely sticks out now a lot more than it used to, but I'm okay with that. I've pretty much embraced YouTube life. I don't mind it at all. I'm advertising for the channel. I'm getting so many new subscribers lately. I mean, that's an awesome good thing. So, but anyway, gotta run the air conditioner and generator because it's still 90 plus degrees and gonna rain. I can't even open the windows. So, you know, we'll just stay cool with the generator until it gets dark tonight. Brave out the storms, and Jackson, I'll be back with you very, very soon. I don't know about this filter. It looks very purple. Sorry about that. Just trying some new stuff. All right, have a good night, Jackson. I'll see you in a couple days. Bye-bye.